Today's recipe is a refreshing summer salad with watermelon, grilled peaches, cucumber and arugula. It's so simple yet so satisfying. Let's dive into it. We're gonna need a juicy watermelon, ripe nectarine peaches with a smooth skin, cucumber, some arugula, also known as rocket, and a red onion. To make 4 bowls of salad, we used a quarter of our watermelon, or roughly 350 grams. Let's start by cutting it into tiny triangles. First, cut along the top angle in a straight line. Try to cut all the way down to the rind, but not through it. Next, cut out slices the width of your pinky along the body of the watermelon. Finally, cut along the rind, following the shape of the watermelon. Now you have lots of big triangles, which you can cut further into smaller ones. You should end up with something around this size. Next on the list, the cucumber. Use half of it and chop it in half. Then, cut it into thin slices like so. For the peaches, start by cutting around the pit. If you are using nectarine peaches like us, you won't have to remove the skin. Instead, just slice the peaches into chunky wedges. In just a moment, we'll take these wedges and grill them. You won't believe how good grilled peaches taste. But before we do that, let's chop a bit of red onion into thin slices. Okay. So, to grill the peaches, it would be ideal to use a griddle pan like this one to get those lovely sear marks. Crank up the heat and place the wedges onto the griddle. Cook the peaches for a few minutes or until they get sear marks. Then, flip them and cook them a little longer. Almost there. All is left to do is assemble the salad. Start with a base of arugula. Then add a few onions, followed by the cucumbers and the watermelon. Next, add the peaches and season with salt and pepper. Finally, squeeze in some lemon juice and add a splash of extra virgin olive oil. My goodness, look how wholesome is this salad! The combo of grilled peaches and watermelon is so flavoursome and refreshing. We hope you'll enjoy it. Please reach out in the comments for any help and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks, bye!